What is the problem? The most useful source of curative studies is being severely limited. Legislation is discouraging the exploration of newer medical practice. These laws against stem cell research make it even more difficult than it previously was to find a cure for fatal chronic diseases. As people who truly want to improve the quality of life, we must fix the state of this industry. What is the source that caused this problem? In 2004, when Bush was president, he approved the prohibition of human embryo creation, human embryo stem cell testing, and limited the quantity of stem cells researchers could possess in a laboratory setting. At that point in time, the president's decision was influenced mainly by religious beliefs of when life begins. The history behind the legislation that imposes restriction upon stem cell research roots back to the belief that life begins at conception. Many activists fought to ban the use of embryos because they strongly disagreed in abortion, which is one of the main ways to obtain them. What have been the previous attempts to correct this? In 2009, President Obama issued an executive order lifting the strict limits on stem cell research, which meant scientists now have access to stem cells, not just progenitor cells, and that they could also obtain a larger quantity of stem cells for lab research. Our proposal is to repeal the prohibition of embryos that originate from terminated pregnancies. People we need for this action are registered voters, volunteers and activists, non-profit organizations, private investors, scientists, students, and lawyers. Products we will need are facilities like clinics and hospitals, proper equipment, advertisements, propaganda, and a bill that will be taken to Congress and city halls to approve this legal action. The financing required for this proposal are fundraisers, donations, partnerships, and grants, which would all achieve the goal of $15 billion. The new stem cell research proposal has an estimated timeline of 15 through 20 years. Now, how do we maintain this project? To ensure that all goes to plan, each participating state will have its own board of directors that will oversee local matters, and soon the restrictive law will be overturned and the new law will be enforced. The future looks bright as promising advances in medicine are allowing scientists to work on stem cell-based therapies at an accelerated pace and unrestricted grounds. This proposal will allow scientists to find long-awaited cures.